Who is Plato? What did he do after meeting Socrates? What is the dialogue he said? What the foundation of his academy? His death and his legacy? All will be talked in this video about Plato. This is Learning CUBS, and subscribe to the channel and like this video. Plato grew up in a Greek city-state of Athens during a classical period of ancient Greece. He came from a wealthy family. He learned various subjects including music, gymnastics, math, grammar, and philosophy. Plato's life and philosophy would have been influenced by the Peloponnesian War between Athens and Sparta. It is likely that Plato served in the Athenian army. Meeting Socrates. As Plato grew older, he became interested in academics and philosophy. He became a student and follower to the famous philosopher Socrates. Socrates' teachings and learning style became the cornerstone of Plato's writings. After Socrates was executed in 399 BC, Plato left Athens and traveled around the Mediterranean region for 12 years. He visited places like Italy, Egypt, and North Africa. He studied subjects including science, math, and philosophy. The dialogue. While Plato was traveling around the Mediterranean, he wrote in an interesting style called a dialogue. In the dialogue, Plato introduced several characters who discussed a topic by questioning each other. Many of Plato's dialogues feature Socrates as the main character. He wrote 4 dialogues about Socrates' final days, including the Apology, in which Socrates defended himself before being sentenced to death. The Republic. Plato's most famous writing is The Republic. In this, several characters discuss the meaning of justice and its relation to happiness. Socrates is once again the main character. Founding the academy. When Plato was around 40 years, he returned to Athens and founded a school called the Academy. Plato and other scholars taught subjects such as mathematics, philosophy, biology, and astronomy. The famous scientist and philosopher Aristotle studied here for nearly 20 years. Death and legacy. Plato died around the year 347 BC in Athens. Plato's legacy lives on in modern Western philosophy. His writings are still studied in universities today. Interesting facts about Plato is now gonna be said. Plato's real name may have been Aristocles after his father. Plato might have been a nickname that meant broad or wide. After Athens lost the Peloponnesian War at Sparta, Plato was offered to be one of the 30 tyrants that ruled over Athens, but he declined. Plato was also heavily influenced by the mathematician and philosopher Pythagoras. So this is the story of Plato. He's been a teacher to Aristotle. You know who's Aristotle? If you don't know, I'll be uploading a video further. So this is the story of Plato. So if you got something about Plato, you do subscribe to the channel and like the video, and comment any question you want to have in this video, or any question in any subject you need to be uploaded by us. Share to your friends and let them get the knowledge what you got to. And thank you for watching this video. This is Learning CUBS.